The 2026 Toyota Hiace stands as a true masterpiece in the world of luxury vans, blending bold design with unmatched comfort and performance. From the moment you see it approaching, its commanding presence demands attention. The wide blacked-out grille proudly displays the Toyota lettering, flanked by striking LED matrix headlights that illuminate the road like a piece of art. The aerodynamic hood lines sweep gracefully towards the windshield, giving the van a sporty yet elegant character. The black and white two-tone paint, decorated with sharp diagonal stripes, enhances its visual drama, making it stand out in any crowd. Sitting low on white black alloy wheels with low-profile tires, the stance is aggressive yet sophisticated, sending a message that this is not just a van, it's a statement. As you move to the side, the details become even more captivating. The aerodynamic side skirts blend seamlessly into the bodywork, while the tinted windows add an air of mystery and privacy. The reflections across the surface sparkle under showroom lighting, showing off the flawless craftsmanship and paint quality. The slammed stance gives it a road-hugging look, but the design cleverly retains all the practical elements that make the Hiace a dependable travel companion. The proportions are perfect, balancing utility and beauty in a way only Toyota could achieve. Step inside, and the 2026 Hiace truly reveals its luxurious soul. The cabin welcomes you with premium beige leather seats featuring exquisite diamond stitching, offering both style and comfort. The modern dashboard is a marvel of design, dominated by a large, crisp touchscreen infotainment system that puts control of navigation, entertainment, and vehicle settings right at your fingertips. The digital driver display delivers all the information you need with razor-sharp clarity. The leather-wrapped steering wheel, adorned with the Toyota emblem, feels solid and comfortable, ready for long journeys. Ambient LED lighting casts a warm glow across the cabin, creating an inviting atmosphere whether you are driving at night or enjoying a peaceful stopover. Wooden brushed aluminum accents enhance the sense of refinement, while thoughtful touches like cup holders, storage compartments, and a panoramic roof elevate the everyday driving experience into something truly special. From the rear, the design continues to impress. The bold Toyota lettering takes center stage, framed by sleek LED tail lights connected by a modern light bar. The custom rear bumper with an aerodynamic diffuser hints at the performance-oriented engineering underneath. The tinted rear window maintains privacy, while the clean lines and balanced proportions make the Hiace look just as stunning from behind as it does from the front. Every curve, every reflection, every detail speaks of quality, innovation, and style. The 2026 Toyota Hiace isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. Whether you're cruising through city streets, embarking on a long-distance journey, or simply enjoying the view from its plush interior, it delivers a perfect blend of comfort, performance, and style. This is a van that turns heads, wins hearts, and leaves an impression wherever it goes. Once you've experienced the 2026 Hiace, you'll understand why it's not just transport, it's a way of life.